I was doing my makeup, but then, bruh, I literally have classes later and look what happened. Oh my god. Okay, right. Where's my bag? This is the bag I'll be using. Oh, and I always bring 2 masks with me just so that, you know, I could stay safe, and I feel like it's better anyway. So yeah, double mask, people.
Wherever I go, I'm passing through. Had you on my mind, I thought you knew. Whatever I say or what I do was gonna bring it back to me and you. Now I'm bouncing, lemonade, sipping away. Empty on fuel while I'm running my place. Spotlight staring while I'm looking up high. Picking up skates, so we late to my place. Yeah, and you can't stop the motion that happens when I can't sit still. I feel like I could take some time off, but that just takes too much skill. Been cruising off ways, but I think I've been doing it for the thrill. Was down in
Yeah, this is what we're working with right now. Pretty messy. Oh my god. And I'm thinking about fixing this right now. Snap transition in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Everything is nice and clean now. And as you can see, there's a lot more space, and I actually put all my other stuff there, and now I guess I can work better now. So right now I'm studying, and I got my Tim Hortons here and my little mood octopus. Hello. Here's a tip, by the way, when you're studying for something. So you know how I have this little weekly planner thing, right? So usually I would get the paper and pack them all in here. Instead of throwing them, I use it as flashcards so that I wouldn't be needing to buy index cards, and at the same time I wouldn't need to waste paper. So yeah, that's a little life hack you can do if you have papers that you don't need. Since I have a hard time managing my time, I recommend having something like this, a weekly planner. And I would usually paste it up here on my board. Yeah, this is my cork board, just to make sure that I don't, you know, get mixed up or whatever. And right now I'm just yeah, I'm studying I'm studying right now for a quiz today. Yeah, you guys get to see a montage of me studying, I guess. So cue the montage. Okay, so this is the makeup I did for today. And there's this house that we'll be checking out later. So that's exciting, because we're actually planning to move to a different house one day. I think today will be a pretty chill day. So yeah, this is my outfit for today. It's pretty simple, but not too boring, since it is, because I usually wear black and white all the time, and this is somehow a little more different, and I really like it. So there you go. So we just looked at the house, and for privacy purposes, I wouldn't show what the inside looks like, but so far it looks pretty good. And the family that's living in it currently are very nice people. So yeah, we're probably gonna think about it. And we're going to the mall in a bit. We're going to Chipotle.
Oh my god, I love Chipotle.
Yum, Chipotle. So we just got our nails done. This is my color. Show your color. Just kidding, he has no color. But yeah, so now we just got Subway and we're on our way back home. We're just walking the street here. Although this part of my nail got kind of ruined, I was trying to put my shoes back on. But yeah, just eating my Subway now. Bye bye. So we just got our vaccine shots. Do you want to show yours, China? No. Okay, how about you, Kate? Do you want? They don't want to show their vaccine shots. Oh, my parents just arrived and we'll be eating lunch. Where are we eating lunch? In an Italian restaurant. So, do you guys want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi to the vlog.
Ma! So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Wow, it's so nice here. It's pretty bright out too. I look kind of weird right now with two shades. That's fine. Should get contacts soon. So nice. This is our view from outside, and here's the inside. So this is the pesto, and here's my carbonara. Looks so yummy. This tastes really good.
Something for everyone. This is too much.
There's some pizza here too. So we just had a good lunch and now we're just strolling along the place. So this is the view. You're nothing. It's pretty cool, pretty nice. And there's a dog. Right, we're going near the sandy area. Oh wow, my shoes are not fit for this. It's boots. But yeah. Wow. This is a beach. It's really nice. Wow. It's really cold actually, but the view is very... Oh my... Looks very nice. Look at this ice cream. It's called a birthday cake. I'm gonna try it. We can't go inside. Oh, it does taste like a birthday cake. Feels, yeah. It's like sweet, but then you could kind of taste the cake. Yeah, it's actually interesting. I thought it would taste like medicine, but it doesn't.
I'll finish my ice cream before we go. I cannot drive and eat this.
So we're gonna be going home now. Bye bye. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye. Yeah, this is the camera I use for my vlogs. It's not really ideal, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta work with what you have. So yeah. Anyways,